8th generation Honda Civic here, but the idea is to keep an eye on your cabin filter in its condition and what may be trying to nest in there. Could be anything from a snake to mice. So the vehicle make and model doesn't really matter here. The main thing is it's cabin filter. Let's take a look. I was going to go ahead and do my annual cabin filter change. Got it halfway out and seen the mess. I thought, well, shoot, I'm going to go ahead and do a video on it and see how it comes out. Let's go ahead and ease it out of there. Okay, we got the magnetic base LED light from Harbor Freight stuck up in here. I think it's going to come out pretty good. And we'll carefully slide it out and get it outside. See how big of a mess we do have. Oh yeah. Okay, let's just set this down. Take a quick look. Yeah, you can see the blower motor fan there. Okay, we're going to get the shock back out here and see if our nozzle attachment will reach in there. I think it will. And get out everything we can. And the blower motor hasn't been hollering or anything. It's been behaving pretty nice. Even running on max with the AC this summer. So we'll get the shop vac and see how that goes. Yeah, we'll take a quick look out here in the sunlight. Not only is there just a lot of shredded cardboard, we've got some little black pieces of foam, so they're eating up insulation somewhere inside the car. The two cats that hang around here and a couple of black snakes, looks like they did their job. I think they got him before he committed to any kind of a nest or any kind of a family. And also the funny thing about it is there's been absolutely no smell in the Honda, so that's a pretty good sign they got him. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm going to get a smaller flex hose and duct tape it to that nozzle to get that out of the squirrel cage blower. So we found just a little bit smaller hose here. That's about as good as we're going to get it. Let's go ahead and put the key in it, turn the blower on, just kind of make sure everything sounds normal. Back to the shop vac. Here goes the blower speed again, full speed. Now this one is for an 08 Honda Civic. I just get mine off Amazon because they're cheap. See what it looks like. Should be the same as the one that came out of it. They wrap them up fairly nice, and they are the charcoal blended versions. Okay, bear with me, I'll cut the plastic off. Believe it or not, the cabin filter, it is directional. Airflow down arrows. Made in China. That's awesome. Okay, I think it's going to go this way. Looks like it's absolutely square. It could go either way. No, it cannot. It is not square. It will not go either way, so that's a no-brainer. I love them when they're like that. I don't have to think. There you go. Got a little foam seal on it. Honda thinks of everything. Now let's get her in there. Bingo. And that's it. You got your new cabin filter, and you might have just prevented a disaster. Had a mouse got in there and got him a good little family going. You could have had a few headaches. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. And drive safe out there.